Hello friends. Wash basins are one of the most used and easily ignored elements in a bathroom. It could either be inside the bathroom or outside depending on the space available. There are many different types of wash basin like tabletop basin, undermount basin, wall mounted basin, pedestal basin, corner basin, semi-recessed basin, and so on. In this video, we will discuss the differences between over-counter basin and under-counter basin. So let us start. Over-counter basin is also known as top-mount basin, self-rimming basin, drop-in basin, bench-mount basin, or tabletop basin. Whereas under-counter basin is also known as undermount or underbench basin. Now let us discuss the concept first. In case of over-counter basin, the basin is kept above the countertop. You can see the countertop in this picture. Whereas in case of under-counter basin, the basin is installed below the countertop. Aesthetics. From the perspective of aesthetics, there is no doubt that the above-counter basin is beautiful because there are many different styles of counter basins and the options are very large, which can be matched with many styles. Just keep in mind that since these basins sit above the countertop should be lower than the normal to allow easy access to the basin. Whereas the style of the under-counter basin is very limited, as the top of the lavatory is covered by the countertop, so only the inside of the basin is visible. So from appearance point of view, it is not as rich as that of the over-counter basin. Installation. Over-counter basin is easy to install as compared to above-counter basin. Just make a cutout for a waste in countertop, place the basin and seal it with the help of silicone sealant. That's it. Whereas under-counter basin is difficult to install and easy to fall over a period of time. Cutouts are made in countertop as per the size of the tap and basin hole. Silicone sealant is applied in between sink and countertop. Metal clips or brackets are fixed so that basin should not fall from the countertop. Here one thing you have to keep in mind, avoid using epoxy or powerful glue as this voids most manufacturers' warranties. The reason is ceramic basins in particular will expand and contract very slightly as cold or hot water run through them. If a powerful glue has been used, this doesn't allow the basin to expand and contract, potentially causing cracks. Durability. The over-counter basin is fixed on the countertop, so the firmness is very strong, which improves the durability. On the other hand, under-counter basin is fixed under the hard material and it is bonded by various glues. Also, over a period of time, the wash basin runs the risk of falling off and the durability is average. Cleaning. As the basin is kept above the countertop, a joint between basin and countertop acts as a dust or grime trap. So over-counter basins are not easy to clean. Whereas under-counter basins are easy to clean. The advantage is that the edge of the sink is not higher than the countertop, so it is very convenient for cleaning. All the water stains and dirt on the countertop can be washed into the basin. Repair. The repairing of over-counter basin is easy as we can remove the basin without damaging the countertop. Whereas in case of under-counter basin, the replacement of basin is cumbersome and the sink can only be replaced by lifting the entire countertop. During this process, there is potential damage to the countertop that can occur. Countertop material. Over-counter basins can be installed on all types of countertop materials, including laminate, tile, solid surface, and all composite and natural stone. Whereas the under-counter basin can only be used under a solid countertop, such as stone. Uses. As the above-counter basin is easy to install, the shape is rich, and the modeling effect is good. So the above counter basin is generally used in homes. On the other hand, the overall appearance of the under counter basin is relatively clean and easy to take care of. So it is used more in public places like malls, hotels, etc. The only thing that can be played is the color and shape of the countertop. So it is rarely used in homes. In addition, an allowance has to be made inside your cabinetry to house the basin. Means you will lose some drawer space. Also, you should keep in mind that the underside of most undermount basins is unglazed, which may be visible if you look inside your vanity. Price. The styles of above counter basins are varied and the price difference is very large. The overall price of above counter basin is higher than the under counter basins. The price ranges from 2500 rupees to 30,000 rupees. Whereas the price of under counter basin is much cheaper than over counter basin because the style and design of the under counter basin is limited by conditions, and the price ranges from 2000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.